Welcome to this overview of the RSI Grid Daily Limit EA, created with the no-code platform FXdreema. This expert advisor combines the Relative Strength Index, RSI, with a grid trading system, designed to capture opportunities when the market shows signs of overbought or oversold conditions. The EA uses RSI as a signal generator. When RSI rises above a set level, it places sell grid orders, and when it drops below a defined level, it places buy grid orders. The grid structure allows multiple pending orders to be placed at calculated pip distances, meaning that as the market fluctuates, additional entries are triggered. This method helps to average entry prices and potentially capture profit across a wider price range. To maintain control, the EA has daily trading limits, time filters, and order resets that clear pending trades at the end of the session. Within FXdreema, the workflow includes blocks for RSI condition checks, buy and sell grid placements, trade counters, and profit-taking logic. There are also reset mechanisms to ensure that trading starts fresh each day. All parameters, such as RSI levels, grid distance, lot size, and close profit targets, can be customized to match your risk profile and market approach. It is important to note that while grid trading combined with RSI can be powerful, it also carries significant trading risks. Grid systems can build up large drawdowns if market trends continue strongly against open positions. For this reason, you should always backtest with 99.9% tick data, study the strategy in depth, and forward test on a demo account before considering live trading. This video is part of the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code FXdreema, on the channel Mqlrobot EAS. Thank you for watching, and I hope this overview helps you understand the structure and function of the RSI Grid Daily Limit EA.